Hi guys, this is your DK again. In this video, we are going to see how to perform edge reduction in an image. So basically, what is an edge reduction? If you look at the image over here, in the left hand side, you can see Messi is playing a football over. On the right hand side, you can see the edge reducted image. The purpose of edge reduction is to center the object where it is actually placed. If you look at right hand side image, it shows clearly where Messi is playing and it has removed all the background noise of the image clearly. So how we can do edge reduction is like we have a famous edge reduction algorithm which is a Canny edge reduction. So let us discuss the steps involved in the Canny edge reduction. First, you need to do Gaussian filter using the equation which is over here, and you need to do the gradient intensity and edge direction using the equation over here, and you need to do the maximum suppression like an image which is given on the right hand side. So there is a basically lots of mathematical equations behind the Canny edge reduction, right? How can I do that in a easier way? We have our savior which is an OpenCV which helps in creating an edge reduction in a single line of code. Instead of wasting the time, let's jump into the demo. Yeah, in my local machine, I have an image of MS Dhoni who is playing cricket in a cricket ground. Let us try detect edge reduction for this particular image and let's see how the outcome is. I have already written the code over here. Import cv to a cv is the line which is going to import a OpenCV for me, and numpy is nothing but the numpy package, and matplotlib is like to show the converted image and the original image. I'm going to show it as a matplotlib.pyplot. So what I'm going to do is like I'm going to read an image. So cv.IMREAD, I'm going to pass the name of the image which is dhoni.jpg, and I'm going to read an image as a grayscale image. That's why I have mentioned it as cv.imread underscore grayscale. Okay, so this is going to read an image. So this piece of line over here is going to do a Canny edge reduction for me. What we're going to do here is like cv.Canny is an inbuilt OpenCV functionality which helps in performing the Canny edge reduction, and we're going to pass the image and we're going to pass the maximum and minimum value on it, and this is the edge reducted image. This is the piece of code which helps in showing the original image and the Canny edge reducted image in a pyplot. So let me run this piece of code. So you can see here, right? This is the original image and this is the edge reducted image. If you keep on changing the minimum and maximum value, the edge reduction keeps on get changes actually. Let me try to minimize it. If I give 10,10, the more number of edges will get detected, the minimum and the maximum value. If you try to increase this particular value, the number of edge detectors will be very less. So 100,200 kind of an optimum value, which helps in detecting the edge in a perfect way. I will paste the code in the description below. You can copy paste the code and try out in your local machine. Yeah, thanks for watching and happy learning.